Hi guys, today I will explain how to add transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. This process is simple and easy, but before going any further, let me tell you one thing. For adding transitions, make sure you have two different clips because a transition cannot be applied on a single clip. As you can see, I have two clips and both are different, and let me show you. Now, time to add the transition. The first thing I will do here is I will arrange the second clip just next to the first one. And then let me zoom in a bit so you can see everything clearly. Now, take a look on the left top, you can see the option effects. Click on it, and on the last, you can see the option of video transition. Click on it. These are the video transition. You can also explore all these by yourself. But for now, I will add a single one so you can see how can we add it. The only thing is tap on that transition, which you like, and take it and paste here. Transition has been applied, and let me play the video so you can see it. As you can see, the transition has been applied. You can also adjust the duration of each transition by yourself. Just take your mouse cursor to the transition, and once the sign will be like, "Do this like me," you can see the transition has been applied. This will make our transition a bit slow, and it was the way by which you can add transitions in Adobe.